Hi, I'm William Jones, Director of Pruning Garden Services, a qualified arborist with 18 years experience based on the central coast of New South Wales. We're here today pruning some swamp mahoganies. We're removing these ones because they're interfering with the power lines. These power lines are on the whole train network for the south coast from Sydney, Wollongong down to Kalama. Doing some noxious weed control, doing some spraying with some herbicide to control some lantana. Here we're doing a height reduction prune. Just reduce the height of the tree to clear the power lines, clear some area around the lights and security cameras of this facility. Here's a good example of a nice healthy tree. It's got nice healthy woundwood growth, callus growth, that's callousing or growing over an old pruning cut. So that's how a pruning cut should look in a couple of years' time. Yeah, eventually the wounds will heal right over. And that's it for this morning. Hope you have a beautiful day.